I got a little quick tip today for anyone that's changing front shocks on some of these old Ford pickup trucks. This is my 1995 Ford F-250. A lot of these old Ford trucks in a lot of years use a shock like this where it's got a bolt in the bottom. It has a stud on top that goes through this part of the frame and a nut up here on the top. And this is the factory shock. This truck's 27 years old and it's got 245,000 miles, and these has never been changed. And the problem is that these threads up here in this top of this stud gets rusted up real bad. These threads get all rusted and crud all in them. The nuts rusted up, got crud all in it, and they don't like to come out. And what's happening is they'll loosen up a little bit. I've already done the other side, and I tried soaking it with penetrating oil, PB blaster. I tried heating it up, and only thing happened was that the nut rounded off. So here's a little tip for if you need to get these off. Grab you a reciprocating saw. This is an old one, but it works. I got a Diablo blade on it, a bimetal blade. And what I'm going to do is just cut straight through here on this bottom side of this bushing. I'll get in here. I'll try to get between that bushing and that little spacer washer right there. But you can just cut straight through the rubber itself. That rubber bushing ain't no good, and you're gonna be replacing it with a new shock anyways. So I'm just gonna come in here, cut that off. That way I can get this part of the shock out, and the stud and the bushing and washer up here will just come right out. And that's been about the best way I've found to get these out when they're all rusted up. All right, I just got cut through it with my Sawzall, or reciprocating saw, whatever you want to call it. Now you can see that that's loose. Now, what I do is I get me a little pry bar. You can buy these things in a set at Harbor Freight pretty cheap. Come under the back side of this, because a lot of times they'll have a little bit of pressure on them. This one doesn't really. Sometimes that just gets stuck in there. You can get your pry bar in there and just kind of work it out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but there it goes. So now that old one's out, you can see I cut straight through it. And this top stud up here, you can just work this out. The bushing, see that part's out now. And just get the old bushing out. Sometimes these things can be stuck in here. You might have to take a little screwdriver, chisel or something and pry it out. And now I got it completely out and it's ready to put the new shock back in. So I just wanted to share that right quick for just in case anybody else is having issues. Maybe something can help them out. But if you do have this problem, like I said, the Sawzall, the reciprocating saw is the best way to handle it. It ain't worth trying to get vice grips up there trying to clamp on that bolt and stuff. As long as you got a good Sawzall with a good blade, it'll make it much quicker. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.